Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for this video, I will show you how to use the secret recovery phrase to recover the MetaMask wallet and also the private key to recover the account. Let's start it. Once you log into your own MetaMask wallet, you can see the interface be like this, and you can click the top right hand side, go to setting, and go to the security and privacy. So here you can see the reward secret recovery phrase. So one secret recovery phrase can recover one wallet, which means how many accounts inside your wallet they also can recover. So for example, I have 6 accounts inside the wallet, so I can recover all. Go to reward. So we need to answer the security quiz. Can start. If you lost security recovery phrase, MetaMask can't help you this because MetaMask operates in Web3 principle and the user can fully control their own data and also the private key. If anyone, even a support agent, asks for you secret recovery phrase, you'll be scammed. Continue. So here you need to key in your MetaMask password, and then you need to hold to revert the SRP. So the sample will be like this. You have the 12 dictionary word. So when you enter, you need to has the same order as you receive it. For example, start from flat and then proud and then gym and so on. Another one is the private key. So you can click the account side and then go to detail. So you can see here the private key. So here is also the same. You need to key in your MetaMask password. Click confirm. So you can copy it. The example will be like this. So this is the wallet private key. Now we are trying to recover the MetaMask wallet and click the I have an existing wallet and import using the secret recovery phrase. So this way is to key in the 12 word by the same order. So once we key in all, we can click the continue. Here is to reset our password. And then we click it. Create the password, click the button. So you can see that our wallet is ready. So following will be the private key. You can click the arrow and then we go to add wallet, import an account. So we can paste the private key we previously have and then import. Yeah, you can see the account is already imported instead. So that's all for the MetaMask wallet and account recovery method. And if you like our video, you can subscribe and share it and like it and comment. So that's all for our video. Bye bye.